Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to type fractions, integration and matrices using MS Word. This will help you to save your time and make your maths documents look professional. So firstly, to open the equation editor, we will press the Alt and the equal key from the keyboard. Then comes here the equation box where we can type our formulas. One more method is that we can go to the insert option, then you can go to the equation and click on it. Then also comes the equation editor box. So let us first start with fractions. So let us first click Alt plus equal key, then comes the editor box. Here we will type a slash b, then we click the space bar and then we get in the form of a by b. Let us consider another example. Let us consider an example where the numerator has more terms and denominator also has some number of terms. In such case, we will write the numerator and the denominator under round brackets. So there is another way through which we can write fractions. So we firstly will go to the insert section, click on the equation and then click on the fraction. Here we'll find different types of fraction layouts which you can use in our documents. So let us click on the second one. So in the numerator we can write some number as well as in the denominator, and thus we can get a fraction. So this is the another way through which we can write fractions. So next comes how to write integrals. So firstly we'll click on the Alt plus equal key and get the equation editor box. So to write an integral, firstly we will type backslash int underscore, then we will write the lower limit, for example 0 cap 1, that is the upper limit, then space, then under that then we will write any function or the given function, say x to the power 70 and then write dx. So here is the integral from. So this is how you can write an integral, or more preferably you can write say a definite integral. Let us consider another example. So Alt plus equal to get the editor box, then we will write backslash iint. So if you write iint, then we can get double integral, then write the function and dx, and here we have our integral. So now we will consider another example having the lower and the upper limit as minus infinity to plus infinity. So say like the previous way, we can write backslash int underscore minus backslash infty, which is for infinity, then cap again slash infty. So here comes the limit integral from minus infinity to plus infinity. Then we will write any function, say the exponential function e to the power 80 and then write dx. So here we have our integral. So another way through which you can write integrals are go to the insert section, then click on the equation and then click on integral. Here we will find different types of how you can write the integral. We can also use contour integrals. So here the integrals automatically comes. Here we will write the upper limit, lower limit and then the function. So this is how we can write integrals in MS Word. So next comes the matrices. Now we will learn how to write matrices in MS Word. So firstly we'll click on Alt plus equal key. Then we will type backslash matrix and type the space bar. Then we will type the round bracket and write the first row. We write the and symbol to differentiate between the columns and double backslash to differentiate between the rows. So in the matrix we will have having 2 rows and 2 columns. So one more way to write the matrix is going to the insert section, then going to the equation part and clicking onto the matrix. Here we will find different types of matrices having with brackets and with as well as without brackets. So let us consider having with brackets. An example with brackets. So here we will insert our entries, like for example A, B, C, D. So here we have another matrix but with the brackets. So this is how you can write fractions, integrals and matrices in MS Word. So here is a quick overview of what we have learned. So to write equation, we can use a shortcut, that is Alt plus the equal key from the keyboard. And also we can go to the insert section and click on the equation part. So next comes the fractions. So to write fractions, we have to first insert the equation editor box and then write the numerator, then slash the denominator, then we will get our required fraction. So to write integral, we will use the backslash int with the limits, underscore and cap. The cap is used to write the to upper limit and the lower limit for the integrals. And to write the matrices, we will use backslash matrix, and within the matrix we will write our entries. The and symbol is used to differentiate between the columns, and the double backslash is used to differentiate between the rows. So this is how we can write the matrix. So hence this is how we can write fractions, integrals and matrices in the equation editor of the MS Word. Hope you have liked this video. Thank you.